Low 40s, look at that.
There it is.
I mean, you're going to have to get the sun blocking goggles because it's going to blind you a little bit. It's pretty bright out there. Most of the area not seeing a whole lot in terms of cloud cover. We saw some clouds building in, but it's so dry out there. A lot of these have started to fade. Now, even in Colden, mainly clear skies. There's some high, thin clouds out there, but for the most part, still mainly clear skies. We were seeing some cloud cover building in from the west, but as I mentioned, pretty dry. Same thing in Amherst at UB North there. A lot of sunshine, pretty bright that it's got some glare on the lens there. So overall, very nice day. We're seeing warm temperatures once again above average in the mid to lower 40s. Forewarned Doppler is completely clear. Up to the north in Canada, they've been having a few little sprinkles here and there. Earlier on this morning, they actually had a couple of snowflakes as well around the Toronto area, a couple of sprinkles throughout the morning. 42 right now, Buffalo, 41 Niagara Falls, 36 in Jamestown, and a tad cooler at 39 degrees in Bradford, which was in the mid-teens this morning. 42 in Williamsville, 44 in Lancaster was also a cold spot this morning at, I believe, the coldest point at 17 degrees. And at the harbor, looks like we're checking in at 40 degrees, which was actually warm as the overnight, as temperature-wise on the lake, still at 44 degrees. High pressure system is what's keeping us dry. Notice this little spot right here, basically right in western New York. The cloud cover is clear. There's some cloud cover building into Pennsylvania and Ohio, but in western New York, we are staying dry, so we're pretty lucky with the showers off to the north. There's some showers off to the west. Those are going to stay put at least for now, but it looks like by Wednesday evening, that's when we're going to start to see some rain. So throughout the day, just some patchy cloud cover. Looks like by this evening, we're going to see more clouds building into the area. And then most of tomorrow is going to be mostly cloudy. And then we're going to see some showers moving in by the evening hours, possibly 4, 5, 6 p.m. And we could also see some downpours moving in, especially on Thursday. Thursday, we're going to see some pretty consistent rain. It's going to be warm. Temperatures are going to be in the low 50s, so you could even hear a few rumbles of thunder out there. So for today, increasing cloud cover throughout the rest of the afternoon and evening. Temperature-wise, pretty warm, mid to low 40s, so above average. And for tonight, pretty mild temperature-wise for overnight lows in the mid to lower 30s. In the southern tier, we'll see temperatures in the mid-20s. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies for the early part of the day, and then we're going to see the rain showers moving in by the late day, afternoon, evening hours. Scattered at least at first, and then it's going to pick up overnight and into Thursday, where we are expecting much heavier rain showers. And we're going to see some downpours in there as well for Thursday. But at least it'll be warm. Temperature's going to be in the lower 50s, but it doesn't last very long. Those warm temperatures. Cold front's going to move in. It's going to drop those temperatures throughout the day on Friday. We could see some snow, especially for the early part of the day. We'll clear up by the afternoon. Most of Saturday is going to be dry, even though it'll be chilly in the low 30s. And we could see some lake effect for Saturday night and early Sunday, but not expecting a whole lot in terms of accumulation there, even on Friday, too, at least for right now. And the models are trending away from that lake effect pattern, but there's still one that had it in there. And lake effect can pop up very easily, and even in isolated areas. Even this past weekend, where the northern suburbs had complete sunshine, but the southern suburbs were seeing lake effect snow.
Yeah, right. So we got to keep an eye on those things. And it's really sunny out there right now. So if you are driving, put on those sunglasses.
It's beautiful.
That's for sure. Thank you, Brian.